By any chance, do you have a mangled mess of like bird's nest wires and you need one particular item out of there? In my case, I need that blue one. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to easily extract it. Well, all right. Now, if you're like me, you've run into this. You put your wiring away real nice and neat, and then you take it back out, and suddenly I don't know, it's like a bird's nest. Nobody knows why it happens. For some reason, it does. So here, I'm going to show you now how it's. I want the blue one out. You see? Well, there we go. Let's start with that. It's so easy. Stop struggling. You'll see how easy this is to get. It'll just. Okay, it's already. Okay, I'll pull that one. Yes. Many people are scared by this. And, I hope that's not broken. Okay. Yes. Now I'm going to take this out. Let's see, it just goes through there. So you pull, come here, you pull it through there. Then, this mess down here. It's going through like, wow. It's going through 2 or 3 wires 2 or 3 times. Let's just pull that around there. There we go. Look at that now. Now I just got to pull it through here. That means I got to come around this. Let's pull this out. Oh boy. I'm going to yank that through here. Like that. Now it's free of that. So now we simply have to, pull it this way. Oh, there we go. It's all. Geez, that was quick. It's almost out. Oh, wait a minute. No. Something's happening here. So now we've got to pull it back through itself. And the black and white wire. There we go. And yeah. So you know what I tell you? It's practically free. Oh, it's really pulling out. Practically free. I guess the key is you gotta kind of hang on to this end. Okay, now I see where it's going through this thing. Okay, we'll pull it through there. Yoink. Oh, now that doubles back on it. Oh, no, that one guy went away. Okay, so it goes under. Wow, what? I'm gonna look at it. Okay. So I gotta yank this that way. Pull that through. Oh, look at this. Oh boy. Any second now. Couple more. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, get rid of that. Okay, now it's going under this thing, so yeah. Pull it that way. Now it's doing a whoop-de-woo. That doesn't need that. What? Oh, look at that. Hey, it's a webcam. Cool. Okay, then we yank it that way. Oh boy, whew. I'm actually pretty. Oh, there's a phone line. Okay, so now it comes through here. Go through all this. So we gotta open that up. Come on. There we go. Now let's yank that through there. Then it goes through here. That's an easy one. We can do that. I do it with my eyes closed. Actually, my eyes are closed, but you can't see it. Okay. Oh my! I can't believe it. I'm almost done. Okay, so now we got this. So let's pull that out of the way. Then you got this adapters thingy. Now it's through this thingy, so let's pull it through there. Then, sun will all be dipped. Thank you, Vice Grip for the eye. Well,
I'll be dipped.
thank you, Vice Grip Garage, for that saying. Done. I got it. Now what do I do? I guess I could twist this stuff. No.